This video is on how to spot breakouts and avoid fakeouts in trading. Every breakout is a ticket to profit. That's incorrect. Most breakouts are actually traps, and you need to trade smarter and avoid costly fakeouts within your technical analysis. Breakout trading is a favorite strategy for many traders. It's all about spotting when price breaks out of tight ranges, but here's the catch. Those breakouts often turn into fakeouts, purely because of liquidity traps. How do you spot a real breakout? Well, you have to start by understanding the volatility, the way prices move over time. Tools like the Bollinger Bands or the Kelter channels all study price action patterns such as support and resistance levels. The key is you don't stop placing stop loss orders in obvious spots, just like above resistance. Big players hunt those zones to grab liquidity before driving prices back down. Instead, take a patient approach, waiting to see if the breakout holds, or using limit orders where the breakout occurred for a safer entry. You might miss some big moves, but trading is all about consistency in the long run, not getting short-term gains. If you continue to watch these videos, I'm going to be going through more technical areas within the academy currently, and you'll be able to get a better charting methodology from this. Make sure you like and subscribe for more.
you.